Hey guys, today we are going to be playing Friend Escape 2 on my tablet on Roblox. This is operating to it. So we're loading. And I also changed my avatar so I look a little bit different. Way differenter than last time. Look at me. I'm in disguise and my mustache. So there are people playing right now. That's why there's 4 out of 6. I'm a dab right now, okay? So let me spectate a random person. Okay, I'm spectating this guy. He's level 1. He doesn't know what he's doing. He's just following other people. Seriously, all he is doing. Okay. Unusual. Oh my gosh, so many people are level 1. Wait, oh no, that guy's level 7. I'm on level 7 too. Okay, the game is starting. So the game should start like right now. Come on. Okay, it has started. Okay, it's this way. I'm running as fast as I could possibly do it. No, please no. No! Are you kidding me? Well, I'll see you when the next game starts. Be right back. Okay, so the next game should start like right now. Come on. Girl, go inside. Go inside. Yep, there we go. The game is starting now. Let's go. Yeah, I move. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Let me go. Okay. Someone made me get pushed. What the? There's like only 2 boys and so many girls. Oh no, 3. No, you don't. There we go. Okay. Thank goodness I almost died. No. How? What? How did I die? There's no way. How did I die? Okay, the game's starting anyways. Someone must have pushed me. No. Actually, I was in the water too long. Here we go. There we go. Boom, boom. Just like that. Boom. Oh my freaking gosh. I went on the other side on accident. Move out my way. Hey. Oh, those people are dead down there. They're gonna die. Why is this guy just cutting in front of me, huh? You wanna be the first one? No. I was just getting over what I said. No! Right when I was about to get some air. I can't believe that happened. How? I'm spectating this guy. Just go inside so the game could already start. You know what? Just die then. You just die. You could die if you want to lose. Okay, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. You made a perfect choice. Okay. Next round, starting. Here we go. And guys, I'm gonna get like a speaker so I could sound like how I normally sound. So, yep. It's gonna. I'll tell you when I get it. Okay. I'll make a video of it. It might be a long time until it takes. Maybe on my birthday. Because maybe I'm gonna get some money. Yeah, I really wish I'll get some money. I don't have enough for it. Like a lot of money. Like $20. That's all I need for the thing. Like $20 more and that's all. Okay, come on. I'm waiting. Jakey, get away. Ha 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 ha. Whoa, we're not supposed to go down there, everybody. Nice try. I'm gonna put my dab right here. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going. Haha! You guys actually thought that was the wrong spot? Nope. That's the right spot, everybody. Okay. Now we have to go down here. Come on. Don't put the thumb button. Come on. Okay. I forgot how you leveled up on Flescape 2. It's been a while. Alright, come on. Open up. Someone press the button, please. Ah, yes. Okay. Hey, how did I miss that? There's no way. I never missed that. But I don't know how I missed that time. How? It didn't let me jump. It did not let me jump. Come on. We're only 8 minutes into the video and I already made like no wins. Come on, and I got 114 coins or stuff, whatever they're called. I need to see the skins that there are. Okay, that's lots of skins. Wow. You know what? The game already started. So let's go. It's gonna start from here, okay? Think about it. I think I know where to go. Stop trying to come in front of me because I'm gonna beat you anyways. Now. No. Oh, I went the wrong way down. Come on, go. Ah, come on, move out my way. This girl just cuts in front of me. Come on. It's not like it's a race. Come on, you. Ah, look at this. I'm not going down there. You know what? No. I'm gonna just stay right here. Dabbing. Dab. Oh, no, you guys don't. Ha. Okay. Game starting right now. Oh, this one I'm good at. Come on. Oh, I almost fell. No. No. How are you supposed to survive that? How do you go that fast? Someone tell me how. Uh-oh. I'm gonna die. Okay, we're just gonna have one more round, and then that'll be it for this video. Oh, whoa, I went the wrong way. Can I get on that? No. Okay, I see where you go. How? How do you make that? How? How are you supposed to make that, huh? Yes, I made it. Okay. Here we go. Boing. Just like that. I missed. Come on. What? Come on. Okay. Ah! No, you do not. No. No, how? Okay. Goodbye, you guys. I'll be here for today. Goodbye. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe. Thumbs up.